Hello friends, today I gonna show you how to recover your bent smartphone. It is very simple method. You can remove back cover just like this. It is very simple method. You can remove back cover just like this. You can see something has drawn here because it is dimension has some instability. You can remove back cover as well as you can remove other guards plastic covers just like this. It is very simple process. You can remove them just like this. Now you can remove other nail also. You can remove each nails just like this. You can carefully do this and you can remove all covers just like this. You can unmount your connectors and ribbons just like this. It is very simple process because it is very helpful to identify what happened into this phone. You can see here something I am doing temperature some increase. You can remove display just like this. It is very simple process. You can remove it just like this because some glues are evaporating under the high temperature. Okay, I do this again and again for this, and I hope to remove display just like this. It is very simple process. You can do it just like this. Now you can see battery. You can remove it just like this. You can remove battery glue just like this. It is very simple process. Now you can see metallic cage. It should be restored just like this because I am not doing I am not replacing new one. This is existing one. You can restore it just like this by adding some forces just like this. It is very simple process and you can see it is level. Now you can see it is restored and recovered, and I hope to remove additional glues and previously applied glues. So you can remove them just like this using metal plate just like this, and you can clean it just like this. It is very simple process, don't worry. Now I hope to apply some of glue. You can apply some of glue coat just like this. It is very simple process. Now you can add and attach display into the case just like this. You can see metallic case with our display. You can attach them using rubber bands. Now keep it at least 15 minutes. After completion of that glue application process, you can attach other parts previously removed just like this. It is very simple process. You can attach each circuit parts, each ribbons just like this. It is essential process. You can attach them using previously removed nails. It is very helpful process. You can continuously do it again and again. Now I hope to attach battery, but battery is not level. You can level it just like this. It is very simple process. Sometimes it may be deformed due to the high pressure. Don't worry, it will okay. Okay, now connect each cables, each pins just like this. Now I hope to attach protection cover, plastic cover just like this. It is very simple process. You can attach it using previously removed nails. You can attach each nails just like this. You can do it again and again. You can attach each removed parts just like this. If you have any problem, you can select particular nails. Okay, I hope to reattach back cover just like this. You can see it is recovered very well. I hope to open, turn on the phone. You can see it is working very well. You can attach some rubber bands several times. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. We are cordially invite you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get new technical updates.